Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change aspect ratio of photos taken through camera of your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, open camera on your phone, and this is the aspect ratio. Okay, 3:4, 50 megapixel is showing now. If you click it, you will have other option 3:4. This is normal mode, and other option is there 19 is to 16. This is the aspect ratio of YouTube video. Okay, that length, this is 16 and this is 9. Okay, that's the meaning of it. Okay, for landscape capturing, it will be very useful. Okay, then next one is 1:1. This is 1:1 aspect ratio. Okay, that is horizontal length and vertical length are same, and it's like a square frame. Okay, and next, full means it occupies full area of your phone. Okay, so this is fuller length aspect ratio. Okay, so in this way you can easily switch between the aspect ratio for photos taking through camera of your phone. Okay, always it is better to use 9:16. Okay, 16:9. This will be very useful. 9:16 means if you take in portrait position. In this position, for portrait photo will have 9 horizontal, 16 vertical. Okay, if you take in landscape, 16 is the horizontal, 9 is the vertical. Okay, so in this way you can easily change aspect ratio for photos taking through camera of your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.